Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to secure ratchet strap slack. Managing loose strap ends is crucial for safety and preventing damage during transport. We'll cover simple, effective techniques to keep your cargo secure and your straps tidy. This ensures everything stays in place, reducing risks on the road. Let's get started with the first method. One common and effective way is using an overhand knot. First, take the excess strap and form a small loop. Then, thread the very end of the strap through this loop. Pull the knot firmly against the main, tensioned part of the strap. This creates a secure, compact bundle that won't unravel, keeping your load stable and safe. Another excellent method involves rolling and tucking. Carefully roll the excess strap into a tight, neat coil. You can then secure this coil using a small bungee cord, a zip tie, or even a piece of tape. For a quick solution, simply tuck the rolled strap underneath an already tightened section of the main strap. This keeps it out of the way. Always prioritize safety by double-checking all your secured straps before starting your journey. Make sure there is absolutely no loose slack that could unravel or snag on anything. Furthermore, it is vital to regularly inspect your ratchet straps for any signs of wear, fraying, or damage before each use. Safe transport is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.